G'day, ET here. Let's talk about taking care of your rods, reels and tackle after a day out fishing. Your fishing tackle costs lots of money, so it's worth the effort to look after your gear after every fishing session. There are some right and wrong ways to clean your reels. An important tip, you don't need any soap. Simply fresh water will do. Soap can penetrate the reel and break down the lubricants. Firstly, tighten your drag up. Use a light fine mist and spray and water all over the reel. High pressure will push the salt further into the reel, so refrain from using heavy water pressure. After spraying with fresh water, use a dry cloth and wipe the reel down. Loosen your drag and the reel is done. You can apply a drop of oil to any moving parts every few weeks to keep them lubricated. You can spray your rods with water and once finished, dry them off. Hooks, swivels and lures all need a freshwater bath after being used in the salt water all day. Give them a good soak and lay them out to dry. It's very important that all your terminal tackle and lures are completely dry when you put them back in your tackle box. Moisture can cause rust and it spreads quickly. Salt is enemy number one when you're out fishing. The salt spray gets into everything, so ensure you get the most out of your rods, reels and tackle by simply washing the salt off and packing your gear away. Hopefully this advice will help you get the most out of your prized fishing gear.